Altron is keenly aware that the margins between success and failure are narrower than ever, which is why it is crucial that enterprises today remain intently focused on their core business. Only by remaining this focused can they ensure that they are able to provide the kind of next-level service demand by their customers.
This is where managed services comes into the picture. Let's start with security, which is paramount to any business today, and which we address through a range of verification and authentication solutions designed expressly to assist in curbing fraud as a result of identity theft and misrepresentation. We understand that it is equally vital to future-proof your company's identity and access management. So, we focus on delivering the latest biometric solutions with a far higher degree of security than more traditional manual processes. Moreover, since biometrics are intimately linked to a specific individual, utilizing their unique characteristics like fingerprints and voice, they offer a much more robust form of security. At the same time, biometrics eliminates the challenges faced by users in remembering passwords and personal identity numbers. We also offer consultation and evaluation services, as understanding the exact solution requirements is crucial if we are to advise on solutions and implement best practices. The other side of the security coin involves cybercrime and the need for quick and effective responses to such threats. Successfully combating nefarious online activities in today's digital world demands managed real-time alerting, event correlation, analysis, and auditing. This is where our Security Operations Center comes in. It is designed to offer world-class security expertise, threat intelligence, and automation, thereby allowing our clients to respond to incidents faster and much more successfully. Beyond the expected security benefits, the SOC also assists customers in achieving compliance with increasing legislation, along with expert advice in managing configurations, changes, and migrations.
As a technology leader that innovates the way the world communicates, connects, and works, we understand all of the forms that sharing information can take. We embrace the integration of paper and digital, the increasing requirement for mobility, and the need for seamless integration between work and personal worlds. Every day, our innovative print technologies and intelligent work solutions help people communicate and work better. While security is increasingly coming to the fore, we understand that security of your printed documents is more important than ever. Even though in today's digital environment, the paperless office remains an aspiration, printing remains an important yet non-core function. Our managed print solutions offers centralized management of all print devices, encompassing printers, copiers, and multifunction printers from multiple manufacturers. MPS is all about using your network print resources more efficiently and effectively, reducing operating costs, increasing employee productivity, and ensuring that your print costs remain predictable. Whether an enterprise is seeking office printers, multifunction devices, or beyond-the-box applications and workflow solutions, our Document Solutions business unit can help boost document security, control costs, and meet your sustainability initiatives. And for those businesses that require production-level printing, Altron's PSG unit offers a full range of award-winning production printing devices, feeding and finishing options, and related software solutions. Using these solutions, companies can expand their market reach, automate their everyday operations, optimize their printing investments, and enable new revenue streams through creative products and services.
Much like printing, end-user computing remains a necessity, even as companies move away from managing it for themselves. The sheer size of most enterprises means that the end-user computing environment can also become quite complex. Handing this complicated environment over to an expert that can provide a full end-to-end solution, including devices, operating systems, storage and backup, asset management, remote and on-site support, and a thorough service level agreement, will see measurable improvements in service levels and reduced total cost of ownership.
Yet another aspect of the business that may be necessary but is not needed in-house is that of voice. With an effective hosted voice solution, enterprises should have access to feature-rich and flexible telephony service that can scale to hundreds of thousands of users. Additionally, since a hosted solution provides integrated end-user and telephone management, along with a wide range of telephony features, it means that you can get a better solution that is also more cost-effective and flexible than any that could be purchased and implemented internally.
Telephony may be fine for business, but there are also times when an emergency happens, be it a man-made crisis or a natural disaster, and the telephone is rendered useless. In instances like these, two-way radios provide the most reliable communications, avoiding almost all the pitfalls that hamper more traditional means of communication during emergencies. Altron understands the importance of having a technology available that can alleviate the severity of the specific situation, which is why we have become the first company to deploy a two-way radio communication network in South Africa.
And what of the end customers? No longer are they passive observers. In fact, the vast majority of consumers today are quite comfortable getting stuck in and doing things for themselves. It's no surprise, therefore, to learn that self-service is one of the major trends in the customer space. We have already been working closely with the financial services sector for several years, developing self-service technologies that enable customers to complete transactions via online chatbots and the ATM, to name just two.
The ATM is in fact the vanguard of the ongoing evolution of the self-service channel, as its value now extends beyond basic cash dispensing with a growing number of services, from mixed media deposits to personalized advice from tellers, moving from the branch counter to self-service devices. But it is not only in the banking arena that self-service is top of mind. The retail sector is also making increasing use of these technologies. Think about it. Few people today call up an airline to book a flight or wait in a queue to purchase movie tickets.
Today, virtually everyone demands the same things from their in-store shopping experiences, namely convenience, choice, flexibility, and accessibility. We understand that one of the best ways to meet these expectations is through self-checkout solutions. With such an approach, customers can scan the items they'd like to purchase at a self-service checkout, bag them, swipe their card, or insert cash into the available slot to pay, and then leave. While not everything can be made this simple, Altron is focused on bringing self-service solutions to as many industries as possible.
It must be remembered, of course, that while technology is a wonderful thing, its beauty lies in the effective application thereof. We believe in using technology to empower people. We provide people with the knowledge and skills they require now for future work driven by technology. Our learning solutions are offered through leading cloud-based platforms and guided by the best instructional design principles. We manage clients' total talent development needs to ultimately ensure their staff completely transform the customer experience of their brand. Speaking of customers, what is your customer's experience with back-office support functions, your contact centers? We strive to provide our clients with peace of mind by handling non-core yet specialized customer service functions like outbound sales or inbound customer service. The particular technologies employed for such services include cloud-based telephony platforms, email, web chat, SMS text, and social media. The idea here is to allow the organization to facilitate employee-customer interactions and accurately measure costs.
Technology may be a key enabler for empowering employees, but ultimately, if you want to genuinely change people's lives in the long term, you will need to effect proper skills development. We are all aware of the high unemployment rates in our country and the struggles of the youth who often do not seem qualified, regardless of their level of education. This needs to change fast, and the focus must be placed on building a skilled and capable workforce through outcomes-based skills development solutions. Such solutions assist unemployed youth to be ready for the world of work, as a key part of this approach lies in ensuring that the skills development needs of the youth are aligned with the business needs of our customers. In this way, we equip them with the skills necessary to become competent and productive employees.
As medium to large enterprises seek to effectively and efficiently deliver their offerings to end consumers, so the desire to focus purely on core business functions will only increase.
Altron Managed Solutions provides the necessary support to such organizations thanks to our enterprise-wide end-to-end technology solutions and related services.